Now, this is one of the most popular questions around the law of attraction. And today we're going to uncover step by step how to make it work for you. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and after being a law of attraction student and a coach for over 15 years, I think I can say I know a thing or two about manifesting. So today I'm going to walk you through a super simple 5-step process to make the law of attraction finally work for you. Now remember, this universal law isn't magic, but believe it or not, it actually is real. And when you understand how to use it in your life and to apply it through practice, you'll be able to attract into your life all of the things that you intentionally focus on. So simply put, your positive thoughts bring positive experiences into your life, while your negative thoughts will bring negative experiences. So does the law of attraction really work? Yeah, it does. And here are just a few examples. Like when you're looking to buy a new car, then you start seeing that car everywhere. Thinking about someone and then they show up on your doorstep, or even craving for a pizza and then your partner suggests that you have pizza for dinner. I mean, has this ever happened to you? So whether you notice it or not, the law of attraction is continuously at work with or without your intention. And when you are aware of the law of attraction and understand how to use it in your life, it then attracts the things that you desire into your life. So how does the law of attraction work? So to better understand how to make the law of attraction work, you should always take a look at your relationship with the universe. Examine how you feel about the way it interacts with you and ask yourself, do you believe that things happen to you? Or do you believe that you can influence your surroundings so that things happen for you? Now remember, we have 12 unchanging universal laws, with the law of attraction being just one of them. And this law affirms that like attracts like. So one way to look at it is with the law of gravity. Toss a penny from your roof and it falls to the ground. Jump off your couch and you land on the floor. Believing it's true or untrue doesn't change anything because it's a universal principle. The law of attraction works the same way. Now, many people believe that they are not in control of their lives. They attribute their success to luck or to fate. Then on the other hand, there are those who believe that their success is a result of their efforts and their abilities. Now, the law of attraction works this way. The reality is your thoughts and your feelings have an effect on the events that take place around you. So when you practice the law of attraction, shift your perspective and understand the truth about your relationship to the universe, only then will you begin to attract better things into your life. So how do you manifest what it is that you want? Well, the law of attraction and manifestation work hand in hand. The law of attraction is the universal principle of like attracts like, while manifestation is when you consciously choose your thoughts and energy to attract your sincerest desires. So start thinking about what you want to manifest in your life, such as love or money, relationships, health, and spirituality, to make the power of the law of attraction work for you. So step 1, decide what it is that you want. So whether you want to attract something small or you're looking for a huge overhaul of your life, be clear about what it is that you truly want. Imagine what this new thing looks like, smells like, sounds like, feels like, and tastes like, if tasting is relevant. How do you feel once this new thing is in your life? Where do you feel it in your body? Does your pulse race or do you feel a wave of calm? Make it real in your mind. Don't just focus on receiving this new thing, but think about your life after you receive it too. Imagine how it will change your world. Taking part in this imagination exercise, you align yourself with your desires. So open up to the possibilities and prepare your body to receive whatever it is that you're attempting to attract. Okay, step number 2 is to raise your frequency to match your desire. Do you feel worthy of receiving? If you feel as though you don't deserve what you want, those deep subconscious fears and doubts will send messages that compete with your desire. So become aware of them, acknowledge them, and approach them with love and compassion. And don't forget to acknowledge what you already have, as this will raise your vibration and open yourself to receiving even more. So step number 3 is to open up to the possibilities first. Think about the bad things in your life right now. Can you see the connections to your fears, doubts, and old patterns that led to those things in your life? Focus on understanding your part in this overall process rather than feeling guilty or ashamed. Recognizing how your fears have manifested in your life doesn't mean that the bad things in your life are your fault. It simply means that the law of attraction has responded to the signal that you're sending out. Then next, think of all of the great things that you have in your life. Reflect upon how your hopes and your dreams and your ambition attracted those good things to you. So reinforce in your mind that when you believe something that can happen, it does. And again, rather than experiencing pride, this is about understanding and seeing how the law of attraction is already a part of your life. It's always existed, but now you're aware of it. See, once you see that the law of attraction works with or without you, it will reinforce your understanding that this is simply a universal law. Work with your awareness of the law and understand how it works for you. Then you can work with the law and align yourself with it. So step number 4 is to act as if it's already happened. So rather than just visualizing the reality in your mind, live it as much as possible. So let's just say you're using the system to find great parking. So you get in your car and you drive to that parking spot with the full intention and expectation of finding it clear for you. Announce it out loud. That parking spot is clear for me. I'm parking in that spot and that is open. So if you're trying to lose weight, go out and buy an outfit that fits the size that you're aiming for. Or if you want to buy a new car, go to the dealership and shop around. Or if you're aiming for something as big as complete financial freedom, start planning what you're going to do with all of that free time and money. The important step is to take action and act as if you already have what you're looking for. Jump into this step with real joy and enthusiasm. So when you take action as if you've already gotten what you desire, you are sending a huge, loud, and clear message to the universe that you're serious. Okay, and step number 5 is to be grateful. Continue to express gratitude and appreciation every single day. Think positively and think of all of the connections that you made that prove that the law of attraction is real for you. Take time every day to review the visualization exercises and prep your mind and body to receive. Right, now before you go, don't forget to click the link in the description box below to download a free manifesting toolkit featuring a law of attraction planner along with a manifesting check. 2 of the most powerful manifestation tools that you can ever use right at your fingertips. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Movies YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching and bye for now.